Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset your chat wallpaper settings on the WhatsApp app for PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to personalize your chat experience. But what if you want to go back to the default settings? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your chat wallpaper. First things first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app open on your PC. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. We're interested in the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear or cog. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll see several categories. We're looking for the personalization option. It's usually about halfway down the list. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to a new screen with various customization options. In the personalization menu, you'll find all sorts of ways to make WhatsApp your own. But today, we're focusing on resetting the chat wallpaper. Scroll down until you see the reset option. It might be at the bottom of the page, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've found the reset button, all you need to do is click on it. WhatsApp will ask if you're sure you want to reset your chat wallpaper settings. If you're ready to go back to the default look, confirm your choice. And there you have it. Your chat wallpaper settings have been reset to their original state. It's that simple. Whether you're tired of your current wallpaper or just want a fresh start, this quick process will have your WhatsApp looking like new in no time. Remember, you can always change your wallpaper again if you decide you want a different look. WhatsApp offers plenty of options to keep your chats looking fresh and personalized. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.